4, 5 signs of attraction. Flipping her hair, licking her lips, touching you, laughing at jokes that aren't funny, asking you personal questions. Then you say, what's your favorite sport? What's your favorite hobby? And she's like, snowboarding. You say, shit. And she's like, well, why? You'd be like, because that's my favorite hobby. You are so trying to copy me. Then you do what's called a hypostory. We're going to go to Greece together. And I know how you are. You get drunk. You like to burn shit down. You're a pyromaniac. So when you guys have a commonality, you pretend that it's your favorite hobby too, and that you would be so much better than her at it.
The Unapologetic Man Podcast.
Okay? You're chatting her up. You're giving value. You're controlling the frame. You're running the cube. You're running strawberry fields. You're running the 5-finger death punch. You're doing the pig. You're doing messages in water. You're doing the story of becoming. You do the 3-part answer when she asks you, what do you do for a living? You're doing cold reading. You're doing push-pull. You're doing false disqualifiers. And she's fucking attracted. 4, 5 signs of attraction. Flipping her hair, licking her lips, touching you, laughing at jokes that aren't funny, pointing her toes exactly at you, asking you personal questions. Then you say, what's your favorite sport? What's your favorite hobby? And she's like, snowboarding. You do the same thing I just taught you with the signs. You say, shit. No matter what she says, boys. She loves scuba diving. Shit. She loves pickleball. Shit. She loves getting finger blasted in the porta potty. Shit. And she's like, well, why? Why are you saying, shit? You'd be like, because that's my favorite hobby. You are so trying to copy me. Then you do what's called a hypostory. Who knows what a hypostory is? Raise your hand if you know what a hypostory is. Let's go, Brad. I knew it would be you, bro. I was looking at you the whole time.
I was actually just going to ask a question about that. But,
God damn it.
No, it's
Go
fine.
ahead.
It's a hypothetical scenario. You tell a story about something in the past that never really happened, and it makes them think. It does something with their brain, like works the same way as NLP, and they can't tell the difference, kind of, and it makes them think they've known you longer, sort of.
Yes.
But I was wondering, my question was, hypo stories are in the past tense, and the scenario you just did with the fight is like in the future, but they work the same pretty much?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Hypostory. That's a great question. So hypostories are past. We went to Greece together, and you burned down that poor hot dog vendor's hot dog stand. Sarah, you should be ashamed of yourself. Or the future. We're going to go to Greece together, and I know how you are. You get drunk. You like to burn shit down. You're a pyromaniac. You're going to burn down that poor gyro vendor's gyro stand on the beach, aren't you? Same shit. So when you guys have a commonality about her hobby, whether it's dancing, ice skating, gymnastics, synchronized swimming, I don't give a shit. You pretend that it's your favorite hobby too, and that you would be so much better than her at it. So snowboarding. You're like, hey, what's your favorite hobby? Snowboarding. Oh my God. What? You are so trying to copy me right now. Did you see my car? I have a Burton sticker on my car. Are you trying to copy me? Because that's my favorite hobby, young lady. We cannot have the same favorite hobbies. Why? Because I'm going to be so much better than you at snowboarding. We're going to go up to Breck, and I'm going to do a double backflip over you. You're going to get butt hurt. Then at the bottom of the hill, you're going to hit me in the head with a snowball. And for the rest of my life, my nose is going to whistle when I breathe. Too much drama. We are broken up now. I want my CDs back. Okay? And she laughs. Then you say, yeah, if we went to dinner, I'd be spraying ketchup and mustard. You'd be flinging pickles. I'd have to walk home with a pickle on my forehead. But you know what the good thing about fighting is, right? What? Afterwards, you get to make up. Like make up sex? Yes. Then you explain, if she's into it, how you will have sex with her. Okay? And be like, yeah, and make up sex. I'm gonna be honest with you, Amy. I just gotta tell you something. I feel like I can trust you. I don't think anybody else is listening. I really, and I might whisper this in their ear, I really, really like going down. Really, really like it. And she's like, oh, you do, huh? You'd be like, yeah, and here's what I'd do to you. Do you think you can handle this? Because I'm going to tell you exactly what I do. Then you just explain. Look up the thigh, up this thigh, across the lips, open the lips, fucking lift the hood, lick the clit, kiss her titties, kiss her neck, kiss her again, go back down, lick it a couple more times, Then once she's really into it, you can insert 2 fingers, bend this way so you hit the G spot, lick, rhythmic, and then she comes. You can explain that whole thing in person, boys. 4 pillars of attraction. Done it many times. Guys, do you think as I'm sitting there talking about this, but not letting her kiss me and telling her, no, we got to wait. That's a big key. You got to wait. What, dude, where's attraction at, bro? Attraction's through the ceiling, dude. She's finger blasting herself in the bathroom to the thought of you.
What's up, brother? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. To watch the full podcast episode, click here. And before you go, if you're feeling extra generous, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me in the algorithm. I'd sincerely appreciate it. Unapologetic Army.